Hi there. For a short video today, I'll be talking about some of the new releases in web development since my last video in March. But if today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like the video. Great content are often posted here. So now let's dive in. Chrome 90 is out. Among all the features, what really stood out for me is the new feature for Flex in the DevTools. Its counterpart Grid has its own debugging tool since Chrome 87, and these features are really cool. Just by opening the DevTool, we can set quickly various properties to test different layouts. So let's give it a try. So here I have my index.html file. Uh, so I will now add a style sheet. Now let's create quickly uh, a simple layout. And we can add maybe 3D for that. And now I will try to add the style sheet file here, and then now we can add some rule in the style sheet. So we set the display flex because this is what we want to see in the Chrome DevTool. Can set for the height 100 to the viewport height. Can set another flex property, the flex wrap. Now for the children, we can add this. We set the background color. It's just for testing purpose. You can set the color to yellow so that we can really see something on the display. 2 pixels, so the red. And we can set the height to 20% of the height of the parent, and let's do this likewise for the width, 20% of the height of the parent. So now let's try to display this in the browser. So what is now cool is that with Chrome 90, sorry, we can now do this. So you can really see here that our layout is a flex, and now we can quickly change different layout and try things. And I think that this is really cool since Chrome 90. TypeScript 4.3 beta is now available. It introduced some cool features like separate write types and properties. Basically, what it means is that it is now possible to specify different types for get and set accessors in TypeScript. That was not possible until this new release. So let's give it a try. So here we have a class thing with a private attribute size. I have the get and set accessors here, and you can see that this get accessor has the same type as the private attribute size with the type number, but the set accessor has a different type. And this wasn't possible until this release 4.3 beta, because if you go, for instance, to the previous version, we see that we have some errors. So it's complaining that the get and set accessors don't have the same type. Another cool thing from this release is the new keyword override. The developers can now make it clear whether they meant to add a new method or to override an existing one. It's not a decorator, unlike other languages like Java. One thing is that the decorator API is still an experimental feature in TypeScript. So I don't know what is the rationale behind using a new keyword instead, but the most important point is that there is the same functionality as in other languages. Talking about Java, there is a new version that is out, the version 16. You might want to check it out and test the new shiny features it brings on the table. Last but not the least, I will now talk about the release 2.0 of Prisma. I just can't believe how for many years you have missed such a thing in the ecosystem of JavaScript and Node.js, given how versatile the JavaScript is. Anyway, we now have it. As announced on their blog post, the new version is now stable for production. And if you wonder what Prisma is, it is an ORM, an object relational mapping for Node.js and TypeScript. I think that is an awesome library uh, because it also has integration for other framework, namely Nest.js. So how to put both together, that will be another tutorial for another day. So hope you like this short video about some of the recent releases and see you soon for another video.